Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're OD, if you're a newbie, hey girl, thank you for joining us. Just pause this video real quick, just pause it, hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a video. Because let me tell y'all something, YouTube is acting a little crazy. They don't tell you when somebody puts out a new video. I see videos from years ago. Okay, so make sure you hit the notification bell and also give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up this video, it definitely helps me. It helps my video in so many ways that you guys can't even, imagine. Just a simple click will really help me on my little journey. And it'll help me know what videos you guys like and which videos you don't like. So be sure to hit that notification bell, the subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up. All right, y'all. So y'all can see from the video, this is a nail mail. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. Y'all, I love mail, okay? So before we get started, I messed up because it's my first time doing the nail haul. And normally when I get packages in the mail for my nails, I just go ahead and open them, organize them how I want them to be organized, and carry on with my day. So that kind of happened, even though I told myself, because I ordered quite a bit of things on this nail haul, I still went ahead and opened them anyway. I will tell you guys what each item is, how much it costs. Everything will be down in the description. Y'all already know. But I did open these already, you guys. But they literally came like a couple of days ago. So I'm going to do these first since they're all like sorted and organized already. But I just purchased these. This is actually my first time purchasing this type of jewelry. Like, I've never had this type of jewelry before. Oh, I got a piece of something in this one. But yeah, so each one of these came individual. They have like 3 different options you can choose from. They have like, I got 20 count, but you can get 20, 50, or 100. And I just chose to do the 20 because it's my first time using them. I know people love these, but I wasn't sure if this was the best type because y'all know eBay be acting a little crazy sometimes. And everything is like comes from China. So if I was going to wait the 30 days, I wanted to have like the best quality. But I think these are actually really, really pretty. Like, the camera's not really doing it any justice. But these are shining, 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 shining. Okay? Like, seriously. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all came from the same vendor. And they ran me approximately $2.81 a piece for 20. And then they do have different names. I'll leave them down below because I'm looking at my computer and trying to record at the same time. So y'all know how that go. Okay, so I'm sorry y'all have the hiccups now. This is so annoying. I told you guys I will leave the link down in the description box. And it'll take you directly to the vendor and you can look at all the different sizes they have and see which one you like. This one came from a whole nother vendor, and this one actually has 30 pieces that came with it. So this one came with 30 pieces, and this one is called, the rectangle, but it's 2.9 millimeters. Yeah, it's just called a rectangle, and it's 2.9 millimeters. So that is those. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them came from one vendor, and then the other 2 came from 2 separate vendors. So that's it for this container. These right here, I'm going to show you the brown version, and the brown version and this one came from the same vendor, and it came with like a case of like a ton. Okay, and all of the rhinestones right here all cost like $2.80. So that's that one. The next one that we are going to jump into, I can just pull. So for this pack right here, I bought 2 of them, which is one, I bought the bottomless. This is a bottomless rhinestone. Let me see if I can pick up one so I can show y'all. Hopefully I can get a big one. Okay, so like if you look at the back of them, they don't have that silver piece that the other rhinestones have. If you look at the back of these have like a gray piece covering it. This one does not have this, so this is called Backless Rhinestones. And it's just the clear ones. And I want to say that these ran me about, I want to say $4, but let me just check to be sure. Oh no, these are $2.84 from eBay. So I got all of these for $2. So y'all know that's lit, okay? And I got 2 of them, so they were $2 a piece now altogether. Here, these came together, but they're from different vendors. I'm not sure how they got in the same packaging together. But these are like little crystals that you just sprinkle over the nail. or that you just dip in the nail. I've used them both ways. Like you can pick, they're not super tiny where you can't pick them up with a wax pencil, but I like just sprinkling them over the nail. And these, for all of this, I paid, let's see what I paid for all of this. For these were 99 cents for the white glass. These are white glass micro rhinestones. And I got, this is 2,000 pieces in here. So I got that for, and it ran me, it was 99 cents, $1. Exactly. Okay, so that's those. Now for these are two colors that I got. So I got in like a opal looking pinkish color, and then a opal white. You can't really see them because all of them turned over. But these, and then these I believe they came with, I want to say they came with 1,700 pieces too. Yep. These have 1,700 pieces in them as well. And this is how they ship theirs. I like these little bags. I like that they can zip closed. That's pretty cute. But yeah, and these were both together. They were $3.22. But these came from the same, under the same thing. So these are shipped together for $3.22. Okay. The next thing I'm gonna talk about is this Young Nails blush powder. Now I've had this for probably about like 2 weeks now, where these just came. I got this actually from Salon Centric, and this was $20 for $22, which wasn't bad at all, so I bought it. And this is a Young Nails blush cover powder, which I love so much, you guys. Like, look at it. I hope y'all can see, but it has like a shimmery base, which is like, I love that. When I get a powder that has like shimmer in it already. The camera's not going to show you guys, I don't think. But you can kind of see the powder. This has shimmer in it, which is really, really freaking cute. I'll swatch that in just a second. And then the last thing that I purchased was a crystal katana. And yes, I did get this off of eBay, and it was $6.22. But it works. I'm hoping it works the same. Let's see. We could put it to the test now, but this is how it looks. Let me show you how it looks. And this again was $6.20, so that was lit. So let's hope that it works the same. Let's see if it can pick up these big rhinestones. Oh look, and it picked it up. And placed it, and then you use the other tip just to move it around. Let's see if it can do all of them. Yeah, perfect. This is perfect, because I really needed this. I love the wax pencils. They're so inexpensive, so don't throw shade on the wax pencils, okay? They've been holding me down for a while. But I get so tired of trying to sharpen them that it drives me insane. And this little case that this came with is super cute. Like, I will be storing it in this case. Just pop that on there. And this is, like, perfect. I might mess around and put some brushes up in here, too. But, yeah, so let me swatch this for you guys really quickly. I'm just going to go ahead and put it on my little swatch hand. I'm sure I have a space on here that has not been used yet. Like I thought. Let's take this off of here. And this is my swatch thing for all of my glitter acrylics, so that works. These are actually the ones that I made. These are all the acrylics that I made myself. But I'm going to add this one on here anyway. I'm just going to put YN B. So I'm put I and B. Okay. And the sad part is I don't have any paper towels to wipe this off, so we're gonna have to hit it with one shot because I'm not about to get up. And it kind of matches the nail, honestly. It's so smooth. Their products are, well, this product, because I have the Speed Clear. I don't use it that much because it definitely dries. It's definitely speedy, okay? I'm just going to dip. Y'all, don't judge me. I'm not dipping my brush. I mean, I'm not wiping off my brush because I don't have paper towel in front of me. And I don't want to use my cute little rag, but I can't even hardly see it. I'm just gonna just wipe it away. Don't judge me, okay? Just don't. Yeah, so that's how it looks. Looks way better in person, but I guess probably because of my lighting. But it is really like a nude blush type of color. Okay, I'm gonna have to use my brush and my little rag. But yeah, so that is that. Didn't really help. I'm sorry, guys. I don't have any clear swatch thingies. But that is that. And yeah, that is all of the things that I got in my nail haul today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though I went ahead and opened up some of my stuff anyway, like a dummy. But I hope you guys found it helpful. I will leave everything down in the description box. Anything that I used in today's video will be down there. And I will also leave the link for everything as well, so you can click the link and go straight to where I purchased it. Yeah, so I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you want to see more videos like this one, please be sure to let me know down in the comment section. I definitely enjoy reading you guys' comments. And whether you believe it or not, I may not respond to all of them because sometimes y'all be at work looking at them. So it really doesn't go that well, especially when you're not supposed to have your phone. But I do see them, and I do try to respond as best I can when I do see the comments. So if y'all don't get a response from me, don't think I'm ignoring you. I'm not. I'm really not trying to. It just really slips my mind. I deal with like a million things a day. I promise you, okay? I am not shady like that. I would not do that to y'all. But if you guys do like videos like this, make sure you let me know. I will see them, and I will continue to do more videos. If there's videos that you haven't seen me do yet and you would like to see me do, just leave that in the comment section as well. As always, y'all know I love y'all, and I love the support that you guys give me. That's why I'll keep these videos coming. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Wait, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and tell everyone you know. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.